So if you're new, thank you for joining, and don't forget to smash the like button, comment, share, and give this video a thumbs up. So this video, guess what we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. So I couldn't wait, so I just pulled up this. I'm like, no, I need to share with you guys my new laptop. So I just pull up the front case. So I'm just gonna open it now. So I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's in 256 gigabytes, right? I'm just gonna throw this. I'm gonna throw this. So this is the MacBook. So I'm gonna peel this. Okay, I have to be very careful. It's new, so I don't want to break it. Great, I like it. It's cute, really cute, right? So I'm gonna open it now. I'm excited. This and it says Apple. See, it's loading. So we're gonna put in, and this is the charger. So it came with this two charger. I like this. It's cute. Finish setting up the computer, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look like and everything. Okay.
From beginning, so I'm just gonna press continue. I'm just gonna log into my Apple ID.
So I've put in my Apple ID. I'm just gonna agree. But initially, so I've set up my laptop already, my new baby, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys some updates. Not now, like let's say in a week's time when I've started using the computer, right? So I'm gonna give you guys an update of if I eventually like the laptop or not. But I've set it up and it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna download some stuff on it, like, you know, editing stuff. Then we get started. We gotta use the laptop. So right now I'm gonna end this video right here, right? So because I don't know anything about it, I need to study it. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing and showing you guys how it looks, right? But initially, let me study it, let me know how to use it, then I'll come back and tell you guys if you guys can get it or not. So initially, before I even start using it, the only thing I like right now is the laptop is really portable. Yeah, it is, and it has some touch bar, right? You can touch, you can do everything. So when I really get used to it, I'm gonna explain how it actually works and everything. But right now I'm not gonna go into full details. I'm not gonna go full details with you guys. So I'm gonna end this video here. So don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and comment. All right, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you for subscribing, and thank you for staying, and thank you for joining this family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, and I love you guys so much.